Hello, Grace with Media Solutions here, and in today's video, I'll be showing 3 easy methods that can enable you to remove background from any image. So the first method we'll be using is Adobe Photoshop. Now next up, you come to where you have the property bar right here and scroll down to where you have remove background. So just give the AI a few seconds to process and then to get rid of the background from the image. Voila, as you can see, it did that with just one click. Now this feature, I think it's only available from Photoshop 2020 and above. So the second method that we'll be using to remove our background is this website called cutout.pro. I'll leave the link in the description. Right, and by the way, stick around for the third method in this video, because the third method, in my opinion, I think that's the easiest of the 3 methods. Now this platform has a lot of cool features, from image upscaler to face cutout to blur background and all that. But we're going to go with the image background remover right here. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to upload my image. And as you can see right here, the website would give you a very clean outcome of your image. Right, so this is the before right here, and this is the after. And now you also have 2 options to download your image. You can download for free, or you can use credit, okay, to download your image right here. So the free download gives you a lower resolution, but with this pro option, it gives you a higher output or resolution. All right, so you can just go ahead with the free one. I think that works pretty well. Now the third method that we'll be using, and in my opinion this is the best of the 3 methods, is none other than AI. We're going to be using an AI platform to get rid of the background, and of course chatgpt. So I'm going to click this plus icon to upload my image. Now once the image is uploaded, you're going to key in your prompt. So this is the prompt I'm using for this to remove the background. Right, I'm going to let me zoom out so you see that clearly. Hold on a second, bring myself down here. All right, so it says act as a professional graphic designer with over 10 years experience. Remove the background of this image only. Don't alter the facial resemblance of the image. Output in, now this part is very important, right? You're telling to output in a transparent background, right? So this is what the prompt looks like. If you want this prompt and other very cool prompts for your design or your projects, you can join our Telegram community. The links to join will be in the description of this video. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and all right, I'm go over to our chatgpt and Ctrl+V to paste. Let me take myself out of the way, and I'm going to click this to send my prompt. So just give ChatGPT a couple of minutes to process your command. So while we wait for that, if you're interested in more graphic design content, media related content, and cool tips and tricks around the design world, the media space, or content creation in general, go ahead, subscribe to this channel and ensure the notifications is turned on. Now I'm intending to hold a free graphic design training, yes, for a couple of days. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you should join our Telegram community. Details for that program will be posted there, right? A 1-week free graphic design bootcamp for total beginners, and of course those who want to upgrade. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, go ahead, join our Telegram community, and of course subscribe to the channel for regular updates on that. All right, so ChatGPT is done, and as you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave to us, a very clean output of our image. Right, so these are the 3 methods that can enable you. And of course, by the way, you can download your image. Just click this and click this icon right here to download your image, or click share, whatever works for you. So these are the 3 easy methods that can enable you to remove the background from any image. Now you can either use Photoshop, or use the free platform I showed earlier, or use this AI platform, that's ChatGPT. So tell me in the comment section which platform you think is the easiest, or which platform worked best for you. So if you found this useful, please like the video, and if you've got questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll attend to them. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials. So once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.